In this class, we are going to learn how to express the following sort as a single number. Okay, remember in our previous class, we learned how to simplify a sort. Assuming here we have a sort like this. This is 20. We asked to simplify this sort as a number. Then for you to solve a sort like this, you need two numbers to solve it. That is, you think of two numbers, if you multiply you get 20, and there is condition, one of the number must be perfect square. That is, we have 4 times 5, the square root of 4 times 5. This is equals to 4 times 5, the square root of 4. Here we can say, so we have the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 5 here. Then the next thing to do here, we can simplify 4. Since 4 is having number, you can easily simplify 4 as square root. This shows that we can say here we have 2. Then the 5 doesn't have square root, unless you can get fractional number, then you can get 2 root 5. This shows that 20 is equals to 2 root 5 in a short form, but in this case they asked to express the following as a square root of a single number. That is, when a number is given like this, in these questions they say we have to simplify this sort as a single number. This shows that the root of the number is given, we have to bring back the single root. That is, we say solution. Since we have 2 root 5, we can simplify it as a single sort. We know how 2 root 5 comes. Then it's just a multiple of number which is a perfect square. It can give sort. So we can take it as this is the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. This is the two number. This is the number that turned into this step. Then in the next step here, we can say we have the square root of 4 times 5. The square root of 4 times 5 here. In the last stage, we know 4 times 5 here is equals to 20. This shows that 2 root 5 is equals to, as a single root, single sort, it can give 20. Then that is the answer for this. In the second question, the B part says simplify 7 root 3. How can we simplify 7 root 3? We know in solving sort, a number before the square root is a perfect square already. Then we can simplify this as 7 times 7, which is 49. We can simplify this number as 49, which is 7 times 7. Multiply by the square root of 3. Then this is equals to 7 times 7. We know we have 49. Multiply by 3. All in one umbrella, which is called the square root. Okay, that is 49 times 3. Now we are going to simplify 49 times 3 here. 49 times 3 here is 100, and let's say here we have 147. This shows that 147 is equals to 7 root 3. We simplify the answer as a single sort. This is the logic. Then let's solve the C part of the question. The C part says, let's simplify 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is equals to, we're supposed to get the multiple of 2 here. The multiple of 2 here will be, let's say here we have 2 times 2 multiply by the square root of 3. That is, when 2 root 3, 2 times 2 root 3 is equivalent to this. Then also this is equals to 4 times 3, all in square root. The last stage, we can get this at root 12. That is, root 12 in a short form is equals to 2 root 3. As simple as this. Then let's take the last answer. The last question here says 5 root 7. This is equals to, let's simplify 5 root 7. You know, here is 5 times 5. That is the perfect square as we learned before. Then this is the perfect square. If you multiply 5 times 5 here, you get 25 times 7, all in the same umbrella. Then you keep multiplying the number. If you multiply 25 times 7, 25 times 7, you get 5,075. You get 5,075. That is in a short form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do share with your learning colleague. Bye.